Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see this demo, creating a modeled query and working with quick start. In this demo, we are going to see how to perform the following tasks. Create a modeled query as a starting point for beginner Looker users to query the data. Next, save the modeled query in LookML. And finally, we are going to use the modeled query to build a look report. Now I am going to open a Looker. I have opened the Looker. I am closing the remaining tabs, other unwanted tabs. Okay, now we have opened the Looker and I am copying the username and entering the username here, and I am going to copy the password and entering the password and stay logged in, click login. Now I am going to scroll up. Now we are going to create a modeled query in Explore. In the Looker navigation menu, click Explore. I have clicked the Explore, and next we need to select e-commerce training, click order items. We need to select this e-commerce training and clear, click order items and select the fields below. Under users dimensions, click state. Under users dimension, click state. Okay, state I have clicked it. Users state. Next, under products dimensions, click department. Under products dimensions, click department. Next, we need to select under users measures, click count. And users measures, click count. Measures, click count. Okay, so then finally under order items measures, click order count. Under order items, so I am selecting these order items, and here we need to select order count. Then we have done it. Next, under user dimensions, find country. Under user dimensions, so I am checking it here, there is no. Okay, scroll up, sorry, scroll down, users dimensions, find country and click the filter icon next to. So we need to go to that country and click it filter by field. Now users country it came now. Then filter pane, then we need to select the users country is equal to USA. Just click it friends, it will come USA. Just that's it. And in data pane, click on the column name users count to sort in descending order. So I am going to do that step. So I am selecting this users count, so it is in descending sort order. We have clicked it one time. Okay, then click run to view the results data. Click run. Now I have clicked the run, it is loading the data. Now it will be like that only: user state, products department, users count, and order items order count. Yeah, it looks like that only friends. It looks good. It looks good. Now we are going to check our progress. We have created the modeled query in Explore, so we have done it. Yes, it's correct. Next, save the modeled query in LookML. In this task we will save the modeled query from Explore. Okay, now I'm going to click get LookML. Just click the settings icon and click get LookML, and now we need to click this aggregate table. Click aggregate table tab and copy the lookml code and open a new looker window in new tab and click development mode. So just I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to open a new tab and entering that link and enter it, and I'm just dragging it here. Okay, so now we need to open new looker window in new tab, right? Just click it looker. Just click the looker, it is loading now. Then toggle to development mode. So toggle to toggle button to enter the development mode. I have done it, and click develop now. So click develop now, and next is we need to select the quick labs e-commerce under the project. So quick labs e-commerce, just click it. Quick labs e-commerce, just click it. Then we need to select in training e-commerce model file, paste the copied code after explore order items, but before explore events around row 43 line number. So we need to copy paste that code which we have copied, this aggregate table. So I'm going to copy that. Just I'm going to put into that training e-commerce model file. So where I need to put it means line number 43 only. We need to paste the copied code after the explore order items. before explore events. So I'm checking the screenshot now. I'm copying this aggregate table, I'm copying this lookml, and we need to enter, we need to modify this training e-commerce model. So here I'm going to enter it and I'm going to paste it. Yes, great. Now then we will move on to next step. We have done it correctly, and we will move on to next step. So what we need to next, remove the line for aggregate table and the ending closing parenthesis. There will now only be two closing parentheses at the end of the explore plus definition. Then remove the lines for the materialization parameter including data group trigger. Then we are going to add a name also. Okay, so what to do means, just we need to remove this aggregate table roller products department user state. Just I'm removing this line number 45 and removing the space, and next it looks like that only. Now we need to add that starts from here, this query parameter. We need to add it starts query parameter here only, friends. Just click it here and put it that starts from here. And next what we need to do means, we need to remove this materialization parameter including data group trigger. So we need to remove that these three lines, I mean these three, we need to remove it. Remove the spaces also, unwanted space, and finally just remove this closed parenthesis also, friends. Now just click save changes. Now we need to click save changes. We have done the steps correctly. I am just verifying with this screenshot, so it looks good only. Now we are going to, first we need to click save changes before proceeding next step. Click save changes, this training e-commerce model. I have clicked the save changes now. Then send lookml changes from development branch to production. Now I'm copying this add a message, whatever message you can give. Just I'm copying this message, add a message. Just click commit changes and push, and here we need to update this message, add a message, and click commit. Then we need to click lastly deploy to production. Just click deploy to production. Now we have done this lab, friends. So not first part we have done it. So yes, next we are going to create a look report using the model query. In this task we will build a look report using the model query. Open a new looker window in new tab. So I'm going to open that new looker window. Just closing this, I'm going to use this one only, looker. Just click it looker. Okay, so no need to open again again and again. So just click that one, explore, click explore. So now we need to select that order items, right? Explore under order items. So here under the e-commerce training we have these order items. Just click it. Now you can see like that it will come, friends. Start from here, under the quick start it will come. So under the quick start you can see start from here. Just click that start from here, and it looks like that only. So it's we have clicked that start from here. Okay, so we have done that step. It looks that one only, correct. In the data pan, click on the gear icon, product department, and select the pivot. So just click it here, and we need to go to that column name, products and products department. Just select the settings button, and here we need to select this pivot. Okay, now we have done it. And next step, we need to, in the data pane, then we need to click this column name user count and select hide from the visualization. Just click it here and hide from visualization. We have hidden that users count now, and we need to move next step and expand the visualization pane and choose column chart. So already it is expanded, so just select this column, that's it. And next step, we need to click this visualization pane under plot, choose stacked. So just click it here, and it is in plot, and we need to select stacked. Okay, so then next step we need to, so next step we need to save as look. Okay, we need to click select save as look. So I'm, before that I'm copying this title, order items count per state. Then I'm going to click the settings button and save as look, and here I'm giving the title as order items count per state. And next we need to choose this shared folder to save the report. So just select this shared folder, and now we need to click save. Now we need to click save, friends. Just click save now. So it looks that chart. Now open a new looker window in new tab. So I'm going to open a new looker. So I'm going to use this friends. So just click looker, and now we need to go to that shared folder. Just it is in shared folder only. So it is in shared folder only. Now we need to click the order items count per sale, look report, and review the data and visualization. So just select this order items count per state. So it loading see look. So we have selected this order items count per state. Yeah, we have done the lab, friends. So you can see this output is coming. I mean, the data is coming. Visualization, it looks correct only. Loading the data. So we have done the lab. So you can see this chart. Right. So men and women state, it is showing California, New York, like that. Okay, we have created the look report using the model query. So we have done the lab, friends. In this demo, we have learned how to create model query in Explore and save in LookML for beginner Looker users to use in future. So thanks a lot, friends. Have a great day. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud Platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.